In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from Slack, a step-by-step process to help you manage your online team more effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your workspace menu. To do this, locate the Slack window you're working in and move your attention to the top left corner. Here, you'll find your workspace name. Clicking on this name opens up a variety of options. From the menu that appears, look for Tools and Settings. You'll want to gently hover over it, and you should soon see another option appear: Manage Members. Once you click on Manage Members, a new browser tab will open, displaying a list of everyone in your workspace. This is where all your team members are listed, making it easy to manage who's in and who's out. Next, it's time to find the specific member you wish to remove. There are two straightforward ways to do this. You can manually scroll through the list if you prefer to browse, or if you're in a hurry, use the search bar that's conveniently located at the top of this list. Just type in the name of the member you're looking for, and Slack will quickly filter the results for you. Once you've located the member, it's time to open up their options. To the right of the member's name, you'll notice a three-dot icon, often known as an ellipsis. Click this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several actions you can take concerning that member. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Deactivate Account. Selecting this will initiate the process of removing the member from your workspace. Be mindful, though, that this step is crucial as it deactivates the member's access to your workspace. After selecting Deactivate Account, a confirmation window will appear on your screen. This window serves to explain the impact of deactivating the account, so it's a good idea to review the information provided. It essentially informs you about the changes that will occur and the access they will lose. Once you've read through it and are sure you want to proceed, find the button within this window that says Deactivate Account. It usually appears in a noticeable red color. Click the red Deactivate Account button to finalize the process. It's a simple click, but it's an important one, as it confirms your decision to remove the member from your workspace completely. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a member from your Slack workspace. Remember, this is a significant choice as it affects their accessibility to shared resources, so always ensure it's the right move for your team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your team management tasks.